How to change country on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch settings on your Android phone. Now scroll down, locate additional settings option and tap on it. Select language and region option and here you need to locate region. Currently it has been set to Nepal. Select region. You will see all the list of the regions available on your Android phone. You can easily scroll down and locate your region that or where you reside. You can even tap the search bar and type in your region. After that, you can easily tap particular region and change the region on your Android device. So, along with the region, all the settings according to the region will be changed on your Android phone, such as your time or time zones. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.